Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making salted caramel ice cream with cookies. And ice cream is a sweetened frozen food that is eaten as snack and dessert. And for this ice cream recipe, I will not be using eggs, milk or added sugar, and it's so easy to make. So please keep watching to see the full videos. For this recipe, I will need caramel, double cream and cookies. So I'll be using Oreo's cookies and the chocolate chip cookies, and I'll also be using salt. So the salt I'm using is pink Himalayan salt, just like I do in all my recipes. So I'm going to go ahead to start mixing the ice cream. So I've got the double cream and the caramel going into the bowl. So caramel is a concentrated version of condensed milk. It has a thicker consistency, is sweeter and darker in color. So this ice cream is going to be really rich. I've just added the pink Himalayan salt, but be very careful the amount of salt that you add. You just need small amount of salt. So I'm going to continue mixing this with a hand mixer until it gets thicker. And I'll be showing you the consistency that you really need for this ice cream. You have to avoid over mixing it, because it just changes the consistency or the taste as well. So this is the consistency you need for this ice cream. It's looking so creamy, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead to separate this into two bowls. As you know, I'm making two different types of cookies. So in one of the bowls, I'm going to be adding the chocolate chip cookies. So I'm breaking this with my hands. If you like, you can put this in the food bag and crush it in the food bag, but it's really quite easy to break, so I tend to use my hands to break it. So I'm going to fold this into the cream mixture until it is well combined, and I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. I'll smoothen the top and cover it with the lid, because it will be going into the freezer. So make sure the bowl you're using is freezer safe. I'm going to do the same with the Oreo's cookies. Again, I'm breaking this into tiny pieces into the cream mixture. But again, you can use you can crush this in the food bag before adding it. But it's, like I said, it's really quite easy to break this into tiny pieces, and you still get the crumbs as well. So I'm going to fold this into the cream mixture like I did with the chocolate chip cookies, and I'll transfer this into a bowl, smoothing the top and cover it with the lid, and it will be going into the freezer. So I've got the two ice creams here, and I'll be putting this in the freezer for a minimum of 7 hours to overnight. So I usually like to leave mine overnight, but make sure it's nothing less than 7 hours. So like I said, I left this in the freezer overnight, and it has set really well. And usually I'll leave this out for about 15 to 20 minutes before I start scooping, but I've only just left this for about 5 minutes, so it's going to be slightly hard, but I can still scoop it. So I'm going to use the ice cream scoop to scoop this into the bowl because it's ready to eat. And you can see the chocolate chip cookies all scattered in the ice cream, and as you eat it you can actually feel the mild crunch because it has soaked in the cream. And this is the leftover, the remaining chocolate chip ice cream. So I'm going to cover this up with the lid and put it back in the freezer. And this is the ice cream with the Oreos cookies in it, and again it has set really nicely because I left it overnight. And I'm going to scoop this using the ice cream scoop and scoop it into the ice cream bowl. Again, you can see the Oreos is scattered all around the ice cream and is giving it a very nice crunch. It's not hard, but it's just so nice when you have this. And this is the leftover ice cream with the Oreos. Again, I covered that and put it back in the freezer. And this is the ice cream looking so nice and so appetizing. And there is absolutely no difference between this ice cream and the shop bought ice cream. You can see how smooth and creamy this ice cream is, and is so tasty. And what better time to have ice cream than in this hot weather? A very nice way to cool down under this hot weather. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. A special thank you to my old and returning subscribers. I appreciate you all so much. And if you're here for the first time, I thank you so much for coming. Please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you keep getting my videos whenever I post them. And please send your comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye.